Hi friends, welcome back to our channel My Suggestions Hub. If you are new to our channel, please like our videos, subscribe our channel and comment us on the comment box for any updates and feedbacks. Kindly share the video to your friends and don't forget to press the bell icon for the latest updates. Today we are talking about the best horror movies. Isa is a horror thriller movie. It was released on December 2019. Lead role is played by Munna Kasi, Mumyat Khan and others. Mumyat Khan plays the role of Isa, who was burnt alive a century ago. Later, Munna Kasi, a musician, falls in love with Lizzie and they get married. The couple expects to lead a happy life, but things go in opposite way. The story is about the troubles that are being faced by the couple. How is all this related to Isa and who burnt her alive a century ago? The story gets more interested when they entered in a new house. This movie is available on Amazon Prime. Our next movie is Booth. Booth Part 1, The Haunted Ship, is a suspense horror movie released on February this year. Lead role played by Vicky Kaushal, Bhumi Patnaikar. The film begins in 2001 with a video of newly born baby Meera. On her third birthday, Meera's parents celebrate with a party on a ship called the Seabird, along with the crew of the ship. Meera's father is shown to be an officer on the ship with the merchant navy. Her parents and crew are busy partying when Meera hears a snapping sound and follows it down to the basement of the ship. After this small story, our present story starts. Prithvi, a shipping officer. The abandoned Seabird is suddenly located in an unmanned port. Prithvi and his friend Riaz are assigned to investigate the seaboard. Prithvi discovers a film tape and log records and take them for further research and evidence. Movie goes on very interesting year after. This movie is available on Amazon Prime. Our next movie is Fung 2. Fung 2 is a horror movie released on 2010 April. Lead role played by Sudeep. Fung 1 ends with the killing of Madhu, the woman who casts a black magic spell on Rajiv's daughter Raksha. Fung 2 begins with Madhu's ghost returning from the grave to seek revenge on the family. On bagging a new construction project, Rajiv moves with his family to a new place. Raksha and Rohan begin exploring the new place and the surroundings, the lonely beach and then the woods behind the house. Story starts interesting when Raksha and Rohan finds a doll in the wood, and then it progresses to a series of traumatizing experience for the whole family. Movies available on YouTube. Our next movie is 1920. 1920 is a horror thriller movie released on 2008 September. Lead role played by Ada Sharma. Arjun Singh Rathod, a devotee of Bhagwan Sri Hanuman, is in love with Lisa, a Christian who is sired by an Indian mother and Caucasian father. Runs into problems with his father, who wants him to marry a Hindu. He decides to break all ties with his family, both an atheist, get married and relocate to live in 1920s Mumbai. The duo then relocate to renovate a mansion in Palanpur. Shortly after their arrival, Lisa suspects that there is something odd about a particular room in the mansion, but Arjun dismisses this initially. Story starts interesting when they enter the mansion. This movie is available on Amazon Prime and YouTube. Our next movie is Aviri. Aviri is a horror movie released on November 2019. Lead role played by Ravi Babu. Aviri is a horror thriller movie. After their first daughter death, Raj and his wife move into old palatial house along with their daughter Munni. Munni happens to see the ghost of her sister. The ghost tries to drive Munni away from the house and finally succeeds. What happens next is the story. This movie is available on Netflix. Our next movie is Tulsi Dalam. Tulsi Dalam is a horror suspense movie released on March 2016. A lead role played by Nishchal Vandana Gupta. Satvik is an orphan who moved to Las Vegas to be near his girlfriend Nisha. He is a firm believer that no spirits exist, while his roommate Subbu is a firm believer in ghosts. One day Subbu challenged Satvik to spend a night in a graveyard alone. Although Satvik successfully completes the challenge, he starts experiencing paranormal activity later on. Also, he now notices a girl named Shanti following him. What's the reason behind the paranormal activities? Who is Shanti? That forms the rest of the story. This movie is available on ZEE5. Thanks for watching our videos. Hope you enjoyed it. We'll get back to you with another interesting topic. Until then, bye.